guys, it's Kim back with another video. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Kimberly. Welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. Without talking too much, let's get straight up into this. So as you all can tell by the title, I'm going to be unboxing my 18-inch ring light. Yes, the girl finally had a ring light. Thanks to my mom. Mom, if you're watching, thank you so much for getting me this ring light. I've always wanted to have one and I finally got one. Yes, I'm so excited that I'm unboxing this. So I got this yesterday. This one with its stand. So the first one I'm going to unbox is the stand. I'm going to take a scissors to cut it.
Default beats.
Okay, yeah, I got it open. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I'm so excited. Here is the stand. Yeah. Oh god. What do you think about this? Oh, so it's like, oh yeah. Boom. You know what to do. Oh, my bad. Okay. So I did this stuff. Bring it. The ring. So what's fail? And it came with a remote. So I'm going to place it on it.
Wait a minute, the way you move that butt, you done got my heart all in it.
I only figured out how to fix the ring. So we place it and then turn it round. Wow.
Can I be for real? This is how I feel.
I fixed it, guys. So now I'm going to put the phone holders on it. I'm going to fix just one on it. I am so confused right now. So I'm going to connect it to the power source and then turn it on. So I need to use the remote to turn it on. Oh, there's no batteries. I'm coming. I am confused out here. Guys, I finally figured out how to turn this thing on. I was so annoyed, like when I was able to turn on. Oh, guys, I finally got it on, y'all. So this is a warm. Now I can get a white, yellow. Wait, okay, this white. I can get a yellow tone, and then the white yellow tone. And so I can turn it down to like 50% and 20% if I don't want it too bright. But if I want it very bright, 100%. And if it's in the evening, I can put it like warm. So guys, this is how it looks. So let me show you the tone. So this is the warm, wait, this white. Then the warm yellow, you'll say. then the yellow. Yeah, this is so bright. And then I can decrease it to like 50% if I don't want it too bright, and then 20% if I don't want to. You see, get the difference. And then 100%. Ooh, that is so bright. Yeah, I'm loving this. So nice. I'm really loving it. This setup was worth it. Oh, thank you so much, Mom. I love you so much. Thank you for giving me this ring light. I'm so grateful.
Wait a minute, the way you move that butt, you done got my heart all in it. And I just wanna be with you tonight. Like please, I'm a player, yeah, it's true. But I changed the game for you. I wanna see what it do. Can I be for real? This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's dip a better here. Oh, you're just my type.
So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Whew, this was a whole lot of workouts, guys. Like, no, check me out. Like, no, just check the light, man. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Period. Your girl's lightning is going to be super deep. Thank you all so much for watching it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, turn on your post notifications. Stay positive. I love you all. Peace out.
You want all summer and after fall, how can you love?